Today we're taking a look at a VANON Pro 6 amp hour battery, and that's coming up next here on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. First off, I'd like to thank VANON for sending this out to the channel for us to try out. Now, just because they send it out doesn't mean it gets a free pass. As always, I let you guys know what my opinions are on it, and there will be future testing to see how this holds up in the long run. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to bring it over here, unbox it real quick, tell you a little bit about it, and then what we're going to do is do some testing on it, and I'm going to show you a couple of clips of stuff I used it for, and then at the end I'll tell you what all I used it on and my final thoughts on it after about the first, I've had this for about a month now. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is look at the packaging, and the packaging is very nicely done. Not anything that's like wow out there, but at least it's not just a plain box, and I really like that about it. Like I said, this is a lithium ion battery from VANON. This is a Pro model. This is only a one pack. They do sell them in more than one. That's one thing I really like about it. So now let's just open this up here and see what comes in it. First thing we got is the instructions, and I always like looking at the instructions. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. And I'm going to have to dock them on instructions. I can tell you right now, there is no way my old eyes could read these without reading glasses. So to me, the print is a little bit too small. But then if you look right there, you can see that the diagram is very nice. Let's take a look at the other side just so you guys can see it. And then what we have in the box is just the battery, and that's the only thing else that's in the box. Let's go over some of the features about this. Now, VANON makes these Pro batteries for Milwaukee, Black & Decker, Porter Cable, Works, Craftsman, Bosch, and as we have here for Dewalt. This is engineered for the Dewalt 20V cordless tools. VANON Pro 20V replacement batteries provide stable output, reliable runtime, and no memory effect, ensuring consistent performance on demanding jobs. This battery is compatible with the entire line of Dewalt 20V Max batteries and 20V XR batteries. It provides up to 40% longer runtime than the standard 20V Max battery packs. It is built with LG HG2 18650 cells. Has LED indicator lights for easy battery level checks. And it's IEC 62133 certified for safe and dependable use. Now I'm going to put all the batteries it's compatible with up on the screen, and you can pause it to see if yours is on here. Now for some of the specifications on this is the VANON Pro series for Dewalt. It's green and black in color. The model number is DCB200. Normal voltage is 20 volts. Normal capacity is 6 amp hour. It is a lithium ion, and it's a brand new replacement battery with a 1-year warranty. Now, a couple of notes just so you guys know on these batteries. Anytime you get a new battery like this is what you should do. The battery must be fully charged before first use. The battery needs to be stored in a cool, dry place. Do not put the battery in water or fire, and also keep it away from children. And it's made from Chinesium. I will have to dock it another point for that. Now right here, I've got the factory charger here. You can see right there is the part number if you want to see it and what it covers on this. And I'm just gonna put my regular battery on here real quick. And I just want to show you guys that it's working. Now we'll pull this off. Take the VANON battery, pop it right on there, and you can see it's light up flashing just like it should. So you can definitely use your factory chargers with this with no issues. And that I've only charged this battery twice now. Once when I first got it, charged it up to full, and then before this video I charged it up to full again, but it only had 3 bars. I just wanted it completely full for the video, but you can see your regular charger will work. All right, now for testing, I don't have nothing special here. I'm just a redneck coming up with redneck ways to test this out. I have no way to get into these to pull numbers or anything like that. If you want numbers like that, watch the Torch Test channel. They do a great job of that. That's way beyond my capabilities. So what I got here is my factory Dewalt battery. We got the VANON battery, and then we got a stopwatch, And what I'm going to do is I got the screw. Actually, I'm going to put it in a little bit better. There's a little bit more solid. And what we're going to do is we're just going to test these out and see if there's a time difference in it. Of course, we're going to accommodate for me hitting the start and stop. But let's go ahead and try this out and see how it works. Get it in there where I can get it. Hit start. All right, stop. It says 3.6 seconds. Basically, it was on 2 something. Of course, the time that it takes me to get over there to hit it. So now let's go ahead and change the battery out and try that one out. All right, now we got the VANON battery here, and we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to get set up here real quick. I'm going to try to get it so you guys can see that. And what we're going to do is hit start and go. Oh man, even with me missing that, it only took like 1 second to drive that sucker in there. That is pretty impressive. You can tell the battery difference though, but I can tell you what guys, the price on these, I didn't say it earlier, they're like 45, 46 bucks right now. Very nice. Let's go ahead and do another test with it. All right, now I got it on the drill here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill another hole in this just for another test. So we're going to put this hole right here, and I just want to do a little bit more for you guys to see this in use. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, not too bad right there. Now what we're doing is I've got a screw here that we're going to test, and we're going to test that nut driver out again. We are just going to put this in, and then I'm going to swap batteries over to the 1/4 inch nut driver just to do another test. All right, so now I got a different test set up here. Now we got a screw with a nut on the end of it, and we're going to use the 1/4 inch impact again. And this is just a different test I want to try out with this. So let's go ahead and get set up here. Same thing, I'm going to try to hit them both at the same time, and you guys can see under my arm. Let's go ahead and go. Wow, that was like 1 second something, of course, from the time for me to hit it. So that's going to be kind of hard to keep up with there. We're going to back this out, get it where it's not wiggling as much. All right about there. We're going to reset this. Now let's see, I'm going to try to just hold my thumb here, try to keep it so you guys can see it. Let's go ahead and go. That would have been under 1 second without the delay of me hitting it. That is pretty impressive there. So now what I want to do is I want to get the drill out and try the drill. All right, so now I got the drill and I got the factory Dewalt battery in. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to put this in right here, tilt it so you guys can see it, and go. All right, you guys can see there, 7 seconds, not too bad at all. Now we're gonna pop this out, grab the VANON battery, put that in there, and we'll just go a little bit lower than that. We're gonna hit reset, try to get it so you guys can see me hit it. Go. $386. I'm telling you what guys, so far I am loving this battery. What I'm going to do is pretty much I've showed you like 3 things. I'm going to roll in some clips here for you guys to check out and see what I did work on it. Then I'm going to tell you everything I've done with this, and then I'll tell you my final thoughts. So let's go ahead and keep going. All right, I've been testing this VANON 6 amp hour battery on my Dewalt drill here. And I'll tell you what, so far I am pretty impressed with this thing. I'm going to hit the button on here. You can see it's on 3 bars. I tore apart a dryer 3 times with this thing, drilled out the screws on rotors on both sides of this vehicle because they were rusted. And this thing has held up pretty dang good so far. And now I'm using the brush to clean the rust off, just a demonstration. This battery has been working great for me so far. There will be a full video coming up on it soon. Well, I'm doing the dreaded control arms on a Subaru 05 Legacy. And of course the ball joint bolt snapped. Yay me. So now I'm sitting here trying to drill it out. And just want to show you guys once again this VANON battery, using it on my Dewalt 20 volt. Working pretty good so far at drilling that hole out. So what's my final thoughts here on the VANON battery? Let's go over to the negatives first. It did have two negatives I said throughout the video. Number one, I thought the instructions sucked. The printing's really small and I can't read them. Does that have anything to do with the battery? Yes, it could if there was stuff in there that you need to read and you got to put reading glasses on. That's just me nitpicking, but that is one thing I didn't like. And the second thing I didn't like is it's made of Chinesium. But pretty much I can almost guarantee you, more than likely this DeWalt battery was also made from Chinesium also. But those are the two negatives I got on it. Now, what do I like about it? Fitment, fits perfect. What else do I like? The battery indicator. Love the battery indicator on that. I didn't have that before with these factory batteries. I absolutely love this. What's another thing I like about it? Price. I'm going to look up the price. I don't know it offhand right now. I'll leave a thing up above for you guys on the price. But I can tell you right now, this one is like $45, $46, and you could probably buy 2 or 3 of these for the price of one of these, and that's where this comes in handy. And like I said, I know this battery is going to last longer than this one, just because I think this is like a 2 amp hour, 1.5 amp hour, something like that. I don't remember. And this is a 6 amp hour. But the power and the speed of it, you guys saw that when I did the stopwatch test on it. Absolutely love it. Now, I'm going to tell you guys right now, I have used this quite a few times now. The first thing I did was I had an issue with my dryer, and I had to tear my dryer apart 3 times, and I used this, and all 3 times I tore it down, it didn't even take a bar off of the battery. I absolutely loved it for that. And then I had a brake job I was doing, and I was using it with a brush, as you saw, to clean the rust off that made a clean mating surface. And then I also had a ball joint bolt break in my Subaru, and I started drilling it out, and I drilled all the way through, and it worked great for that. But I had an issue. The second drill bit I sent through that was a little bit bigger broke, so that was the end of that testing, because I had to buy a new steering knuckle so I can get my car back going. But I can tell you guys right now, if you have any of the cordless power tools I mentioned at the beginning that they make these for, I would definitely go this route. I'm actually thinking I'm buying more DeWalt cordless stuff now just because of this battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a discount code for you guys in the description so you guys can get a discount on this if you guys want to check it out and save you guys even a little bit more money. Like I said, I'd like to thank VANON for sending this out to the channel. So far, I give it a thumbs up. Every time I use that 1/4 inch impact or my drill, this battery will be in it for now on, just to do further testing, so I can come up with a future video for you guys just to let you know how it's doing. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.